Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. I wanted to show you real quickly how to adjust your monitor display settings, especially if you have more than one monitor. If you right click the desktop and then go down to display settings, it'll usually show you a list of all the monitors you have connected. In this case I have two, and the second one you can't see. But one of the interesting things about this is you can move monitors however you want them displayed. If I shift the secondary monitor over to the left and then apply the settings, then when I move my windows, they'll move off to the left instead of off to the right. Like you see, I have a program off to the right. If I apply this, now it'll be off to the left. I'm going to move back over here because that's the way I prefer it, and it's actually the way my monitors are set up. Also, if you click each monitor, first of all, you can click identify and it'll put a number on the monitor to tell you which one is related to which one. So as you can see, when I click identify, it shows number 1 here. And if I select number 1, I can go down and change the resolution. I have it set to its highest resolution right now. If I go to monitor number 2 and select that, I can go down and change the resolution for that, and its highest resolution is 1600 by 900. So that's how you can adjust your monitor locations as well as its resolution. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you out. Make sure you visit our website, www.the-nerdcave.com, and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.